has just begun. Jebel Ali and showing speed now is Handsome Prince. It's now Handsome Prince as they pass the winning circle. It's Handsome Prince leads by some 2.5 lengths. And Jebel Ali right down in second. Eric the Viking moving up by release Salt Mine. Then followed by entry number 6. That's Snake Queen into the birthday trouble in red jersey. That's Handsome Prince leads by some 3.5 lengths, followed by Jebel Ali. 5 lengths away in third now. Eric the Viking moving up. Snake Queen run by the wheel is Salt Mine, and followed now by entry number 7. Arranque and 7A, and that is Bungis Ngis. Nicole Toys is next in line inside the last 400. Handsome Prince in front by some 2. Eric the Viking, Snake Queen, and towards the final turn, it is still Handsome Prince, Snake Queen, Eric the Viking, Faria and down to the finish. Handsome Prince hanging on. Eric the Viking now for the outside. It's now Eric the Viking, followed now by Snake Queen in second. Handsome Prince, Jebel Ali, Bungis Ngis para zone 2. Guimaras Island, Arranque, Salt Mine, Nicole Toys.
Okay, bayan karalista para dito sa ating pangwalang karera, ating pong unofficial winner of the 4 horse, Eric the Viking, nasa segundo numero 6, Snake Queen, numero 5, Handsome Prince, and numero 4, Jebel Ali, for your pentafecta 7-8 Bungis Ngis. Ating pong balikan ng replay dito sa ating race number 8.